Good evening. I am SHIBANJAN PAUL ROY, a freelancer scientist. Actually, today I demonstrate my old research. Actually, my old research about a African plant which is called Hydnora africana. It belongs from subfamily Hydnoraceae. Actually, this plant root extract is very effective for antidiarrheal activity. So, my topic is role of Hydnora africana belonging from subfamily Hydnoraceae root extract for antidiarrheal activity. Actually, this is the research link of my journal. Actually, in this research, I am first Asian and first Indian individual scientist to did this research about this plant, Hydnora africana, an African plant. Actually, many research I did individually. Actually, Hydnora africana also the example of my research. Now I start and explain my topic. First, I heartfully thanks to Mr. Swapan Kumar Pathak sir, who is Assistant Professor of Institute of Pharmacy, Jalpaiguri. Actually, he constantly motivates me for many research. That's why I always heartfully thanks to him. After I heartfully thank to Mr. Abhijit Devnath sir, who is Assistant Professor of Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pharmacy Institute, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, for give me the chance for represent the presentation. Now I start my topic. Now I start first abstract. By this study, I conducted the evaluation of the antidiarrheal activity of hydromethanolic root extract of Hydnora africana induced diarrhea model in castor oil, dinoposton induced secretion model, and by charcoal marker its anti-motility activity seen using charcoal as a marker. Methods: the animal were randomly allocated in the 3 models into 5 groups of 6 animals each, and mice were received 1 ml per 100 gram normal saline in group 1 and group 2. Used standard drug for treated them a positive control, whereas group 50, 100 and 200 mg per kg extract doses given to the group 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Statistical significance of differences in the mean of fluid content of feces, number of defecation, intestinal fluid accumulation ratio, intestinal fluid weight and distance travelled by charcoal between groups was analyzed by software. Now, this is table 1, preliminary phytochemical screening result of crude hydromethanolic root extract of Hydnora africana. Test result: alkaloids present, tannins present, flavonoids present, saponins present, steroids present, terpenoids present. Actually, in this research, capital I and capital with capital S indicates this word for Hydnora africana, that this Hydnora africana is this, and it belongs from subfamily Hydnoraceae. and according my research, it has a potent antidiarrheal activity. Actually, everyone watch this group, this onset of diarrhea, watch the power of Hydnora africana. Actually, this IS indicates the term this means Hydnora africana. Watch onset of diarrhea in minute 200 mg per kg 121.20, 100 mg per kg 75.36, whereas low pyramide 3 mg per kg 99.20. So actually, according my knowledge, this Hydnora africana is very effective for anti-diarrheal activity. Results: the Hydnora africana subfamily Hydnoraceae at 100 and 200 mg per kg doses shows statistically significant P. Everyone knows about this, so I did not explain it. What is greater than, what is less than. Weight difference of the fluid content and inhibition of the frequency of defecation of the fluid content of the feces compared to the negative controls. The percentage inhibition for those doses of diarrheal feces was 43.65 and 53.54 respectively. In the standard drug, the anti-secretory of the extract in terms of fluid accumulation ratio was not found statistically significant compared to the negative control. After I tell about conclusion, root of Hydnora africana subfamily Hydnoraceae has shown promising anti-diarrheal activity, validates its use. Therewithal, studies are needed and possibly the plant may serve as a strong source of new agent in the therapeutic activities of diarrhea. Thanks to all. Actually, this is my research. Actually, as I think, if this Hydnora africana plant is in future directly cultivates in India, then this is used as a potent anti-diarrheal drug. But at present, it is not available in India. So presently, we take low pyramide and this type of anti-diarrheal medicines, but in future it is very useful for us. Okay, thanks to all. Good evening, I am SHIBANJAN Paul Roy, a freelancer scientist. Today I demonstrate my research about Hydnora africana, an African plant. Actually, I heartfully thank to Mr. Swapan Kumar Pathak sir, who is Assistant Professor of Institute of Pharmacy Jalpaiguri, First Diploma Pharmacy College of India. Actually, he always my best motivator, who always motivates me for many research. Actually, I also heartfully thanks to Mr. Abhijit Devnath, Assistant Professor of Pharmacy College in Greater Noida, actually for give me the chance for represent the presentation. Actually, I did the research about Hydnora africana. Many Indians did not know about the efficacy and potency of this plant. Actually, in future, if this plant is cultivated in India, then it is very effective for the anti-diarrheal activity in our country. So I think this Hydnora africana in future it also cultivates in our country. Okay, thanks to all.